Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, you already know what it's gonna be, a Zara haul. So my favorite, this is actually part 2 of a previous haul that I did, so I will link that down below. But I got some good autumnal pieces for you, of course. I'm on a bit of a roll. I'm so excited to show you what I got, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I think this is like my favorite thing that I got. It is this blazer. I mean, have you ever seen anything more fucking beautiful than this? It is so stunning. All the details in it. I mean, the button, well, can't let me show you. The buttons, everything, the fit of it, the length, the colors, the padded short, everything. Perfect. I am so obsessed with this. I try to keep my outfit quite simple and neat, just let the blazer do all the talking. It's so different than anything I've seen. It's quite a soft material. It's really, really heavy. I love the padded shoulders, like I mentioned. It gives it such a gorgeous shape. It's not too long. In my other haul, I had a black blazer that was quite long, but this is honestly, this is a perfect length on me. Although I'm quite short, I'm 5'1", always tell you guys that, but just want to mention it. So keep that in mind with the try on clips of how things will look, you know, on you if you're taller, because let's be honest, you probably are. I am just so obsessed with this. It just has a very nice, simple lining. I hate when the lining is too busy because I feel like honestly it makes it look cheap, but this is perfect. What size did I get? Where's the tag? Okay, I got this in a size small, which is my usual size, so I would say stick true to size on this one. I thought the fit was great. I just told you it is expensive. It is $120. This would definitely be an investment piece. This would definitely be a super special, spend lots of fucking money on a blazer because you're gonna have nothing like it. If you're just starting out with blazers or you need more basic blazers, this is obviously not the one for you. You can get some really gorgeous blazers from Zara for a much cheaper, affordable price and just as good a quality. I love all the blazers from Zara. So this is definitely a special one for that price, but honestly, stunning. Next up is this roll neck sweater dress. It is very long. It is very just simple silhouette. Like it doesn't hug your figure whatsoever. It's just very big, very boxy. I'm not the biggest fan of this, if I'm honest. I think I would definitely need to belt it in, which I did belt it in on the try on clips for part of it, just see how it looked. I much preferred it like that. But that being said, if this is the vibe you're going for, just like a big roll neck boxy sweater dress, then this is a really gorgeous one. Really soft material. I love the color of it as well. And the cuffs are so cute. It's got this nice detail on it. It's the same detail that's on the roll neck, if you can see that. It was very comfortable when it was on, I will say. I got it in a size small. It was only small, medium, and large, so I got it in a size small. I definitely could not size up, so true to size on this one. And it was $50, so pretty standard pricing, I think, for a dress from Zara. It is a very nice one. Does it have any slits? I can't remember. No, there's no slits, but it does also have this detailing at the bottom of the dress as well. I thought it was quite a good length on me. I think that I could wear like little booties with it, or little, well, probably not heels to be honest, but little booties with it, maybe a little denim jacket thrown over it might be really cute and casual. So it is a really nice dress. I don't think it was doing enough for my figure personally, but if this is a style that you're looking for, then this is a really great option from Zara. Next up, we have some faux leather leggings. They have a zip on the side, which I forgot to zip up. And the fit is beautiful. I used to have a pair of faux leather leggings from Zara. They were a little bit lighter than this. For some strange fucking reason, I got them in an extra small. And so I just had to like throw them away, give them away. I can't remember. Probably gave them away. I'm pretty sure they still have the tags on them, but I could not do them up. So I got these in a size small and they fit perfectly. I have about a 26-inch waist, so these are a beautiful fit around the waist. I'll say if anything, they're quite roomy, so these are actually going to be really comfortable. They have this seam going straight down the front. They go all the way down the front, which I think is really nice. Otherwise, there's no belt loops or anything, just the zip that I mentioned on the side to help you get in. Thank you. And then what I didn't realize was they have this split, but it's on the back. And I was very confused because I was like, did I try them on backwards? But I don't think I did. I think it's meant to be at the back, which is an interesting touch. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Yeah, it's definitely in the back. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I do love the leggings though. I tried it on with another Zara top. It's not in this haul, it's in a previous haul. I'll link that down below if it's still available. So this really nice like white top. I think this with white would be gorgeous. Also with like maybe a cream or white or even like black sweater would be really nice with some matching little booties with it. Or you could obviously easily dress these up with like a nice maybe like lace bodysuit and like a blazer, like some little heels. Like there's so many ways to wear some faux leather trousers. I'm sure you've seen it all over social media. Everyone and their mom has a pair of faux leather trousers and styles them differently. I've seen some really amazing looks. So these are so easy to style up or down. These ones are really soft. They're really comfy once you get them on. They are $36 and I got them in a size small. Like I said, I don't know if I said that. I think I did say that. $36. Bargain. They're also quite soft inside. Like if you can see, they're like almost fleecy inside. So these are winners right here. I love these so much. Absolute bargain in my opinion for the price. If you can hear that, that's my neighbor's dog. Like their dog is so fucking annoying. Whatever. We're being positive. Good vibes. Next up, I have this bodysuit. I have a love-hate relationship with this bodysuit. So, well, hate's strong. Hate's very strong. So, first of all, I love the sleeves. The shoulders poof up a little bit right here. So, it gives a really cool, like, silhouette. And then the sleeves have these really nice cuffs. And the arms are quite baggy and flowy. It has this gorgeous V neckline. And then it goes, like, quite plain and stretchy down here. So, it's really easy to get on. It does also have a zip down the side to help you get it on, which... always appreciate that. And then at the bottom there are 3 poppers. So I mean there's really no excuses to get this thing on and off. You have options and it's very easy. It's very comfortable once it's on. I would say my biggest complaint would be that it's not a thong. So that's not ideal. For that reason alone, honestly, I probably won't be keeping this because it is a really gorgeous bodysuit and I have actually been looking for a plain black bodysuit to dress up or dress down and this would be perfect, but I just can't do it if it's not a thong. Like, I feel like you're gonna see it in everything, in all the outfits, whatever. You guys know the struggle. I just don't think I'm gonna do it. I got it in a size small and it was $46, so yeah. For $46, it needs to be perfect. This is so close, but not quite perfect, which makes me very sad. It's a kind of like a slinky material though. It's really soft, really nice. It's very flattering when it's on, and obviously you can dress it up or down. So if the thong bodysuit does not matter to you, then this is an absolutely gorgeous bodysuit. The back is quite plain. It's got these really nice like drapey bits here, and then it goes plain down here and to the back part down there. We'll say one randomly really good thing is like all around like the bottom bikini area part, it's like this elastic material. So you know it's not gonna dig, which it's a very thoughtful touch. I really do appreciate that. Just can't get over the not thong bodysuit. Alright, last up is this skirt. I am so obsessed with this skirt. I love it so much. Okay, couple things. I tried it on with that bodysuit in the cutaway clips, which I thought it was just really beautiful together. I absolutely loved it. They have these really nice black buttons down the side and all this draping. It's this really pretty like check pattern. I didn't realize, but when you look close, it's got like a black, brown, beige, and then like a light blue running through it, which I thought was really interesting. I think it does show up really beautifully. Like now that I've seen it, I can like see it, but I just didn't really notice it before. I really like the buttons. They're like wooden. Really cool. Okay, let me explain how you need to get this on because I was confused and it's confusing. So here I am thinking Zara, there's gonna be a zip on the side. I'm just gonna rip it up. It's gonna be great. No. So you actually have to undo the entire thing. It like comes out into one long piece of fabric and you have to wrap the first part around and there's a little button, which is actually kind of difficult to button up, but there's like one little button. Then you have to take the rest of the fabric, wrap it back around on itself and do up those 3 buttons, I hope that makes sense. It was a little bit confusing to try to get it on, but once you're in it, I think it's really flattering. I do think it was a little bit tight around my waist though, so let me see what size I got. I got it in a size small. So if size small is usually quite tight on you in Zara, then I would size up, because I'm usually a small and okay, but this small, for some reason, it was a little bit tight. Like, not unbearably, but noticeably tight. So, like, don't wear it on Thanksgiving tight, you know what I mean? And it was $50. So I think it's a beautiful skirt for $50. Definitely no complaints about the price. And it was quite a nice length on me as well. As I mentioned, I'm short, so keep that in mind. But obviously, so easy to dress it up or dress it down. I think this is just stunning. This is definitely different from anything that I have or I have seen. So this is definitely a keeper. Alright guys, that is it. That is everything that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like I said, I will link part 1 down below, and I'm sure I will have plenty more Zara hauls coming up for you in the near future. As always, can't stop, won't stop. Love Zara. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!